worked together at a previous company, whatever it is. You invite me to a Zoom like this. I come on, I watch it, right? I think, oh my gosh, this makes so much sense for my family. I get the plan from you. You make $120. Well, guess what? I live in South Carolina. You probably don't. I go out and empower someone that you don't even know. I make $70. I'm excited. I just spent 15, 20 minutes, made $70. I'm excited. But what did you make? I want you to add these two numbers together. You see the 20 and the 30? You just made $50. And because you went to manager in your first 45 days, you also, and you went to fast start class, you also now have locked in those $700 in bonuses. That is how simple it is to make significant money here at our company. But in addition to just being consistent, guys, we have something called Performance Club. And Performance Club is protecting 2 to 4 families a month. That's literally one every other week, or, one a week, right? Not anything massive.